Hey guys, it's Shanna
and Easton
and Reed
from the 5M Family Homestead channel. We were challenged by Break Free Homestead to do 10 questions about your homesteading from your children's perspective. So we're going to do a video on that. I'm going to ask the kids 10 questions about homesteading. Reed and Easton are going to be actually visible. Sarah said she's not going to be visible. She's going to be behind the scenes. So you're just going to hear her voice. If y'all have not checked out their channel, Break Free Homestead, y'all go do that right now. Specifically, click on the link about the 10 questions they asked their kids. Their 3 girls are just adorable. They're hilarious. They are so cute. So y'all go and like them, subscribe, comment, help them out a little bit. We're going to get started here in the Mathis household, so y'all come along with us. Okay, these are the 10 questions that we're going to ask about our homestead to our kids. Number 1, what do you think about living on a homestead? Reed?
I think it's cool because we get to have animals and we get to grow our own food, and we have a lot of land for us to drive dirt bikes, four-wheelers, and stuff like that. And I have a lot of room to play baseball and practice baseball.
Easton?
So why I like living on a homestead is because like getting chickens, owning dogs, and it helps our family with like all of our money, paying taxes and everything like that.
Sarah, what do you think about living on a homestead?
I like it. I like it because we get a garden.
Awesome.
What is something you want to add to your homestead? Not necessarily animals, but any type of equipment.
Yeah, I wanted to add animals.
Well, the next question is about animals.
Okay.
So what is something you want to add to your homestead?
I want to add a baseball field.
I bet you do.
But I don't think that's going to happen.
Easton, what do you want to add to the homestead?
I really want to add like a little tiny camp thing.
Yeah.
So me and Reed can do outdoor stuff and everything like that.
Like a campground kind of?
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's a good idea, actually. Sarah, what would you want to add?
A greenhouse, so I can stop growing stuff in the windows.
She does. She has a window seal of plants all through the house. Okay, so this is the next question y'all were like. What animal do you want to add to the homestead?
I want to add 2 animals. I want to add like 5 milking goats so we can have goat milk. If he'll try it.
Will you try it?
Yeah, I'll try it. And I also want to add a mini cow.
Oh yeah, that'd be good. All right, Easton.
To slaughter.
Okay.
Easton.
I would really like to add horses because I love horses, but I kind of hate horses because you can startle them really easily. But I would add like a lot of cows so then they can have baby cows.
All right, Sarah, what do you want to add?
2 pygmy goats named Gordon Ramsay and Bob Ross.
Yes,
Okay,
yes, Sarah.
so we're specific now. Like we really have something
I'll
in mind.
make sure I'm specific for everyone now.
Okay, what is the most difficult lesson you have learned so far on the homestead? So a difficult lesson, something that's been sad, something that's been hard. Okay, Easton?
Is because having a rooster is really sad
Yeah.
and having it. And my first lesson is don't get close to him and stick its foot under it.
Yeah, because
Okay, I got
for
one.
you. Okay.
Mine is when a dog comes in our backyard and kills one of our chickens.
Oh yeah.
It killed one of our baby chicks. Like one got in our backyard and like killed 2. It killed a big hen and a baby chick.
Yeah, that was sad. Sarah, what is one of the hardest lessons that you've had to learn?
That some of our animals have to die.
Yeah.
Like Ramen Noodle, Burt Mackler, Mr. Eccles, Dwight Mathis. Our first rooster had to die. No, he didn't die.
No, we got...
No, that we had to get... Okay, hold up. that we have to get rid of some of our animals because Ramen Noodle, Burt Macklin, Mr. Hickles, Dwight Mathis, we call him Noodle for short. Our rooster had to go because he kept attacking Reed, and Reed would scream like a little girl.
Okay, what is your favorite chore on the homestead?
Ew.
I don't know. My favorite chore.
Mowing, probably. You enjoy mowing.
Yeah, I like working and get money.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. Easton,
But,
what's your favorite chore?
Money.
my favorite chore is definitely picking up the eggs, doing just some kind of chore around the house, and vacuuming.
Vacuum?
Clean the inside the toilet. I love cleaning inside.
You really love cleaning the inside of the toilet?
Yes, I'm not lying.
Oh,
He does
well,
every
good.
time we have to clean the bathroom.
All right, Sarah, what is your favorite chore?
Probably pickling.
Yeah, the pickles and stuff.
Or like the garden, just
yeah,
being in the
all the garden. What is your favorite thing to grow? Reed.
My nose. Sorry. Probably the watermelon.
Mm-hmm.
You know you can't grow eggs. You know you can't grow them, but you grow chickens. It's technically growing eggs. So
Yeah.
Instead
Okay.
of grilling chickens.
Growing.
Reed's just playing with a hatchet.
All right.
So I like growing eggs, and also I like pickles because those pickles are good.
Cucumbers.
All right, Sarah, what's your favorite thing to grow?
The watermelon.
Yeah.
Because I will literally just go out there and eat
She's
a
eating
whole
it right
watermelon.
now.
Yeah. This is half of a 40-pound watermelon that I've just ingested in the last 2 hours.
Okay. All right, sit back down. What is your favorite food that Mom makes?
Oh, you have homemade mac and cheese.
Woo woo.
Corn
Reed
macaroni.
man.
Chicken spaghetti.
Mm-hmm.
That was what I was gonna say.
Is that? Well, you can
oh,
say
I
it.
like the little meatballs, the
Yeah.
little ones that you made in the pressure cooker.
And
but
my
now,
second
now
is
Dad threw it
spaghetti.
away.
Mm-hmm.
The second spaghetti with garlic bread.
Yeah.
Mine too.
Okay. What's the worst part of living on the homestead?
Okay. Mowing the yard.
That's your least favorite thing is mowing the yard?
I hate it.
Why'd you even go along with it?
No.
I love the watermelon.
I think the worst part about living on the homestead is that we have more, since we have more land, we have more opportunities to have more stuff. And the more stuff you have, the more maintenance it requires.
That's a great perspective. Sarah, what's the worst part?
Clean the chicken coop.
You already cleaned it in months.
No, I cleaned it last month. It was last month. I
Okay,
know.
last month.
I know it was because I was FaceTiming Molly when
Okay.
it happened.
Yeah, cleaning up after the animals is hard.
Well, it's not that. I don't mind cleaning it. It's just annoying when the chickens want to lay when they're in there.
Yeah.
While you're in there.
Okay, what's your favorite animal on the homestead?
The dogs.
Mm-hmm.
It was the pig when we first got it, but the pig, it goes, and then it makes big mud holes everywhere. So
Yeah.
So I like the dogs. I like the pig. I like the chickens. I like the worms.
The worms. All right, Sarah, what's your favorite?
Thinking Gabby and my ducks.
That we don't have anymore?
No, they're still here in my heart.
And there's Sarah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Wait, I got one question. Remember at the beginning, I didn't end the question.
Yes.
What question was that?
What do you think about living on a homestead?
It's really fun because about all the everything, everything we can do and have fun out here. So thank you guys so much for watching. And I've never said this at the beginning. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, hit the notification bell so you never miss another video. And so, Reed, what do you want to say?
see you next time. Bye.
No.
Okay, so we just did our questions and now we're going to challenge Walker Farm Fam and Smith Family Ranch to do the same with their kiddos. Of course, they don't have to ask the same questions. They don't have to ask the same questions. They can make up whatever questions you want. It's just fun to hear from a kid's perspective of what it's like living on a homestead. So, and if you guys have not checked out those two channels, do so now. It's Walker Farm Fam and Smith Family Ranch.
Link in the description.
Yeah,
Link
he
in
just
the
told me he'll
description?
link in the description. So y'all go check there. Bye.